What's up, nerds? It's Pat from the Nerds You're Looking For podcast. And this is going to be a little bit a different kind of video. I normally just have my gameplay videos, but I kind of keep Thursday open for just whatever I want to do. And I had a hard time doing something the other day, and I finally, through like trial and error and various YouTube tutorial videos, I figured it out. So I kind of wanted to put together a video that kind of shows you the process from start to finish, because I had to cut some videos together and kind of put some pieces together and do a lot of trial and error. So I kind of buried the lead there. What I want to show you is I want to show you how to stream using OBS on Facebook Live. Like I said, there's several videos out there that kind of show you how to do it, but they're just the pieces, and I want to show you how I figured it out from start to finish. I don't claim to be an OBS genius or expert or whatever. If you guys have different things that you do to help this process, definitely comment below. But this is just how I figured out how to do it, and I thought it might be helpful to show you guys in case there's somebody out there that wants to do it like I did it. So obviously the first thing that you're going to need is OBS, which is Open Broadcast Software. Very, very helpful. I'm actually using it, as you can see right here, to record the screen, because what I'm going to show you is going to be on my computer screen. So I won't be able to show you everything that I might want to, because I am using it right now and it doesn't let you change some of the settings and whatnot while you're using it. But I should be able to show you what I need to actually stream on Facebook Live. As you can see, it's very, very helpful. It gives you a lot of options. You can add a bunch of different stuff. Like I said, I have the display capture going on right now, but you can add like overlays, and you can use microphones. Like I have my microphone that I use for the podcast going right now. So it's a good microphone. You don't have to use just a crappy, the one that's inside the computer that's usually pretty crappy. So it's very, very helpful. I can use overlays, webcams, all this other stuff, so it helps me doing my videos that I don't have to do all of that stuff in post. So super helpful. Obviously the first thing you need is OBS, so you'll go to obsproject.com/download. Just showing you the website here. I'm not going to actually show you step by step how to download. I'm assuming if you're here, you're computer illiterate enough to figure out how to do that. I will put the link to the download in the video description, so you don't have to worry about that. So once you get it downloaded, what you need to do is, I use separate profiles for different things, and I'm on my streaming profile right now. I will put a link in the video description to the video I used. That's very, very helpful to set up different profiles. I prefer to have a separate profile for my gameplays that I am not streaming. I am going to edit and put those out as my gameplay videos that I do every week. And then I have a separate profile just for when I stream. I think that's very helpful, and OBS lets you do that. So again, I'll put the video that I use to set up profiles in the video description. So what you want to do first is you want to set up your settings. You want to go to stream, and it's going to give you a bunch of different streaming services. I have it set up as Facebook Live, but you can do Twitch, YouTube Gaming, all that pretty much is going to be fairly easy, actually. You would think that you would just select Facebook Live and put in the stream key. The video that I watched, that's what he told me to do, this particular channel told me to do. I did that, and my first video, I started streaming. It said I was streaming. OBS said I was streaming. Everything should have been working correctly. But that video is nowhere to be found. I have no way of knowing where that went, where it is. So obviously I did something wrong. And what I did wrong was, instead of selecting Facebook Live, what I decided to do was go down to custom streaming server. So you do that, and you're going to have to put in a URL and a stream key. In order to get that, you go back up to the interwebs. And I should have mentioned this earlier, you can't actually do it on a private profile. You can only stream to Facebook Live using OBS if you have a public page. Obviously, we have the Nerds You're Looking For Facebook page. If you haven't already, definitely give us a like. That helps us out a lot. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to Publishing Tools. you're going to go to videos and hit live. And at this point, it's going to come up with a server URL. So we're going to copy that. Go back to OBS. Paste that in there. And then we want to get our stream key. Now, if you're using Twitch or YouTube gaming, you never, ever, ever want to give somebody your stream key. I've heard a rumor that on Facebook Live, the stream key changes every time you go to stream. So if I were to do this tomorrow, it would be completely different. But I went ahead and blurred out my stream key just in case that's not true. So don't take me at my word for that. That's just a rumor that I heard. But I'm going to go ahead and copy that even though you guys can't see it. And what's really cool about this particular screen right here is you can put it a caption, you can put a title, you can put tags, you can put whatever game that you're playing. We'll go back to OBS, paste that stream key, and hit apply. So that's set up. What you want to do is you want to go to output. I keep it at simple. On my other profile where I have the Let's Play profile where I'm doing my gameplay, I have it advanced and I have all those settings set up the way that I like them. But for this one, I just keep it simple because it's just my streaming profile. I have the bit rate as 4000 and the audio bit rate at 128. If you guys have better settings, that's not what this video is about, but definitely leave the comment below. And then I have the bass and the output as 780, or I'm sorry, 1280 by 720, and then the frames per second at 30. That's what Facebook has to have. Obviously, it's not letting me change any of this because, like I said at the beginning, I'm using the screen capture with OBS to capture what I'm doing right now to this video. And then we'll hit OK. So this is set up right now to go streaming. I don't know if it's going to let me actually do this. Hopefully it does. So you'll hit start streaming. And then it's going to say, do you want to start the stream? You hit yes. And then what you're going to do is it's going to have a preview. It's fetching the video stream. Okay. And so what you guys are seeing right now is what's on my OBS, which is just doing the stream capture right now. It's going to be a few seconds behind, obviously, because that's how streaming works. Unfortunately, you have that delay, but it actually isn't live right now, which is good because I don't want anybody on my Facebook page to see this right now. In order for you to actually go live, you just hit the go live button. And then once you hit that button, you're live. This is the point where I screwed up. Because like I said, what I did was I just went to, and I'm going to go ahead and stop the stream. What I did was I just went to stream and then just did the Facebook Live and put in the stream key, and then I hit start streaming. And it didn't work. I didn't know where it went. But this is the way that I figured out how to do it, and I figured it would be useful for you guys to know that as well. So that's it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Like I said, if you have any more comments or tips or whatever, leave them in the comments section below. Smash that like button. I might start doing some more tutorial videos. If you guys like this video, I might start doing some more. So just let me know that you liked it by hitting that like button. And as always, I will put all the other links to all of our other stuff, including the podcast, The Nerd You're Looking For, in the video description. For Patrick Kuhn, I am the nerd you're looking for. Take it easy, guys.